In the local self-government, district panchayat is the topmost level of three-dimensional panchayati raj formation. There are minimum 32 and maximum 52 district panchayat member of seats are decided according to the population of district. 50-degree seats are reserved when voters
concerned voters, concerned voters, beta.
of the constituency elect their numbers. Presidents and vice presidents are elected by the elected
On the basis,
on the basis the elected members on the basis of majority different communities
see, Rajani is correct. When there is after majority, there is a full stop, no? So you have to have a pause, okay?
majority
थोड़ा रुकना होता है. Very good.
different communities
Continue.
different committees like executive committee,
Justice
justice,
Committee,
social justice committee, education committee, construction committee, health committee, etc. are formed with the help of tenure of district panchayat is of 5 years.
yes, the tenure of district panchayat is how many years? It is 5 years. Yes, very good. Continue. Administration,
The administrative head of district panchayat is called DDO, District Development
development,
Development
officer, officer.
Officer. He
Hmm.
or she is appointed by the state government. District panchayat
Integrates.
integrates integrates and implements the schemes and state government function. District Panchayat controls the activities of Gram Panchayat and Taluka Panchayat and help them manages and controls
Revenue.
revenue, education, corporation, irrigation, animal husbandry, agriculture, etc. at district level. District health officer, district primary education officer, district agriculture officer,
Social
district
welfare.
social welfare officer, deputy executive engineer,
Deputy.
executive engineer are in charge of district panchayat.
Yes. Okay. Very good, Rajani. Is good. Thank you. So, district panchayat. Okay. It is what beta? It is the third level of local self government. If you remember, I shown you here. Yes, in this picture, seeing that. See, you can see at what level it is district panchayat.
Second,
कौन से लेवल पे है?
second,
थर्ड लेवल पे डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत कहाँ पे है?
district panchayat second.
अरे फ्रॉम बेस यू हैव टू सी बेस नीचे से देखते हैं हम स्ट्रक्चर को डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत कौन से लेवल पे है बेटा
मैम थर्ड पर है थर्ड पर
थर्ड लेवल पे बेटा डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत इज ए थर्ड लेवल okay in structure of a development of government District Panchayat is at third level. What level it is?
थर्ड लेवल।
हाँ, तो क्यों सेकंड बोल रहे थे राजधानी अलीसगढ़? Right? This diagram I also sent you in PDF, so you have to draw in your fair book also. Okay?
ओके मैम।
Yes. So district panchayat is the most topmost level of the dimensional panchayat raj. Okay. Now how is it formed? There are minimum 32 and maximum 52 members in district panchayat. How many members are there? How many members are there in district panchayat?
32
Beta,
minimum and maximum 50।
52 members. Now, according to what it is decided, members कितने होंगे, किस तरह से डिसाइड होता है?
डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत।
अब नहीं बेटा फजील, it is decided upon the population. It is decided about the
पॉपुलेशन ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट।
हाँ, according to the population. देखो ग्राम पंचायत कैसे फॉर्मेशन होगी? Again on the basis of population, on the basis of on the basis of on the basis of population data. Population, okay. Number of seats are decided according to this. Okay, 50% of seats are reserved for women. Again, very good, right? 50% of seats are reserved for women. Concerned voters of the constituency elect their members. And again, बेटा, president और vice president कहाँ से select होता है? President or vice president elected by the elected members on the basis of its majority. Okay, Zohair. Hello, Zohair. Zohair is there?
Yes ma'am, he is there but sleeping।
Zohair.
यस मैम।
Okay, Zohair.
Yes,
Yes, Peter. Why not answering the questions?
there is lot of
Okay,
disturbance.
see that you be attentive. Okay. So, how come there is no disturbance? No one is unmuting their mics. Okay, so different committees like executive committee, social justice committee. Sorry,
No ma'am.
sorry, sir. What you are saying?
Ma'am, he said in my house there is much voice।
Hello. Okay, so there are different committees. Okay, like social justice committee, executive committee, education committee, construction committee, health committee, etc., etc., right? Which are formed with the help of all the elected members. Okay, and again, the tenure of district panchayat is of 5 years. Now, DDO. DDO is what? District Development Officer. What it is known as? District Development Officer. Okay, clear? Clear or not?
Yes.
Clear।
What is the full form of DDO? Yes, yes, okay. Now, what are the functions of district panchayat that we will see? Again, it controls the activities of gram panchayat and taluka panchayat to help them, है ना? मतलब क्या कि it is at the third level, okay? At base it is the gram panchayat एंड ऊपर उनके ऊपर है तालुका पंचायत, तो उनको उन पे कंट्रोल करता है, उनकी एक्टिविटीज को ध्यान में रखता है। क्यों? क्योंकि उनको हेल्प मिले, इसीलिए, राइट? अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इट मैनेजेस एंड कंट्रोल्स रेवेन्यू, education, cooperation, irrigation, animal husbandry, agriculture at the district level. Clear? And district health officers, district primary education officers, district agriculture officers, district social welfare officers, deputy executive engineers, all are included and all are in charge of district panchayat. Is it clear till here? Clear or not? Reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Clear.
clear.
Yes, okay. So we will now quickly revise district panchayat and then we will start the urban civilization, urban administration. Okay? Yes, Zohair, can you read this district panchayat? Revise it. Zohair, can you revise this district development officer?
Yes. District Panchayat. District Panchayat is a third level in local self-government. District Panchayat is the topmost level of three-dimensional Panchayati Raj formation. There are minimum 32 and maximum 52 members in District Panchayat. Number of seats are decided according to the population of district. 50% seats are received from for women confirmed voters of the constituency elect their members. President and vice president are elected by the elected members on the basis of majority. Different committees like is community, social justice community, education community, constitution community, health community, etc. are formed with the help of elected members. Tenure of district panchayat is of 5 years.
Yes. Now the administration. Is it better? Continue administration which I explained you right now.
What will repeat?
हेलो એડમિનિસ્ટ્રેશન રિપીટ એડમિનિસ્ટ્રેશન રિવાઇઝ કરો બેટા કોઈ ડાઉટ હોય તો એમાં પૂછી લેવાય પછી.
Administration. The administration head of district panchayat is called DDO, District Development Officer. He or she is appointed. He or she is appointed by the state government. District panchayat integrate and implement schemes of state government. District Panchayat controls the activities of Gram Panchayat and Taluka Panchayat and helps them manages and controls revenue, education, cooperation, irrigation, animal husbandry, agriculture, etc. Officer, district primary education officer, officer, district social welfare officer.
But your voice is very slow.
It's what name?
Hello, your voice is very slow बेटा.
Wait. District social
Yes, try
welfare
to your mic
officer,
properly.
deputy
Deputy.
executive engineer are in charge of district panchayat.
Yes, clear till here everyone? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Now, this picture is about Social Justice Committee. Okay? Now, Social Justice Committee का रोल क्या होता है? सोशली सबका ध्यान रखते हैं. सोशली के भी किसी को अपने राइट्स नाम ये ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट? एवरीवन शुड गेट देयर राइट्स, है ना? तो सोशल जस्टिस कमेटी क्या होता है? इट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर क्रिएटिंग एंड इम्प्लीमेंटिंग the schemes so that the weaker section of society can get education, can get health, can social and get social and economical facilities, है ना? So this type of benefits मिलने चाहिए. Okay, this committee is made of 5 members at the level of taluka panchayat and district panchayat. Okay, the formation of social justice committee is compulsory at all 3 levels of panchayat raj. Okay, and the functions of the committee is to impart justice to weaker section. Weaker section मतलब कौन? कि जिसको सब कुछ आसानी से नहीं मिल रहा है, राइट? टू गेट देम एजुकेशन, टू गेट देम हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स एंड ऑल इकोनॉमिकल फैसिलिटीज, है ना? इसीलिए उसका नाम भी वैसा ही है, सोशल जस्टिस कमिटी. ओके, yes. So what is social justice committee? Yes, revise once. Then Rajani, yes, go. You also revise once. Yes, go ahead. Revise, beta. Can you listen me, Zohair?
Ma'am, his mic is muted.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes. चुप रहने. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Social
Ma'am,
justice
his mic
committee.
is mute.
The Social Justice Committee is responsible for creating and implementing the schemes so that weaker section of society can be education, health, social, economical facilities. The community is made of 5 members at the level of Taluka Panchayat and District Panchayat. The formation of Social Justice Committee is com- com-
Compulsory.
compulsory at all three levels of Panchayati Raj. Function of the this
Committee.
committee is to impart justice to the weaker section.
Yes, understood till here? Now we will see urban administration. Now see here, urban matlab what? The city areas. Okay, where the population is more. Population कैसी होती है बेटा? ज्यादा होती है, तो उसे अर्बन एरियाज कहते हैं. और रूरल एरियाज किसे कहते हैं? जहाँ पॉपुलेशन लेस होती है. कैसी होती है पॉपुलेशन? Which is where the population is less. Okay, that areas are known as rural, where the population is less. એટલે કે village areas and all this is विलेज एरिया किस में आएंगे? अर्बन रूरल एरियाज में, है ना? अभी सब आएगा, राइट? तो यहाँ पे मोर पॉपुलेशन हो, राइट? इन सच पॉपुलेशन इज लेस, वहाँ विलेजेस में, वहाँ पे क्या
Maybe your voice is not
फॉर्मेशन होता
coming.
है? वहाँ पे ग्राम पंचायत, तालुका पंचायत फॉर्मेशन. अंडरस्टूड ना? एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. ओके, मतलब सिटी एरियाज में कैसा पॉपुलेशन कैसा वर्कआउट होता है. ओके, यस राजधानी एलियस, रीड बेटा अर्बन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. राजधानी एलियसगर, रीड अर्बन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. हेलो, hello.
Ma'am, I can
Yes,
read.
boys, can you listen me? Sorry, yes, read better.
Start as well.
Yes, read better.
Urban administration. There is a municipality in the cities having the population of 1 lakh or more and corporation in the cities having the population of 5 lakh or more.
कॉर्पोरेशन बेटा कॉर्पोरेशन नहीं जोहेर
Corporation.
जोहेर कॉर्पोरेशन
Corporation in cities having the population of 5 lakh or more and both of these are known as the organization of local self-government. These areas are decided according to the population. Elections are generally held after every 5 years. All the voters of city having voting rights can participate in the election.
yes very good continue बेटा I'll explain it then
Corporation. That is a corporation in the cities generally having the population up to 25,000 or more. Minimum number of candidates in corporation in 28. Formation. Areas of municipality
candidate
are divided into various wards on the basis of population. One ward consists of your members, 50% out of them are reserved for women members. President and vice president
reverse नहीं reserved
selected from the elected member. The president is the head of the elected members. His or her tenure is of 2.5 years.
tenure
Of 2.5 years. He is the
Zohe set your mic हाँ very good set your mic properly okay
chairman of the corporation. And what you have said?
no first your mic was not set properly voice was not coming
Oh,
yes okay read continue
from where? Which one I have to read? Also,
okay now I'll yes no wait first let me explain oh now see as I said you first only what I said you that there is a municipality in the cities urban administration के बारे में जब समझ रहे थे ऐसे direct कि there is a municipality in cities having the population of 1 lakh or more कितनी population होती है वहाँ 1 लाख से ज़्यादा है ना and corporation in these cities having the population of 5 lakhs or more and both of these are known as the organization of local self government both are known as what beta as the organization of local self government okay
Good.
now yes these areas are decided according to the population again I am repeating my point all these are decided according to the population okay and elections are generally held after every 5 years election कैसे कब held होते हैं after every 5 years okay all the voters of the city having having voting rights can participate in the election सब लोग पार्ट कर सकते हैं इलेक्शन में जिसको भी voting rights हो okay now corporation there is a corporation in the cities generally having population up to 25,000 or more minimum number of candidates is in the corporation is 28 now how is the formation again same that the areas of municipality are divided into 4 wards and on the basis of population one ward consists of 4 members कितने members consist करते हैं बेटा 4 members okay and 50% out of them are reserved for women members and president and vice president are selected from the elected members again president and vice president कहाँ से select होते हैं from the elected जो भी members है जो elect होते हैं उसमें से ही president and vice president are elected And who is the head again? The president is the head of the elected members. And his or her tenure. Tenure means what? The time to do the work. Okay, is of 2 years or somewhere 2.5 years. Okay, and he is the chairman of the corporation. Who is the chairman? The president is the chairman of the corporation. And what is the administration? So committees, again इसमें भी different committees form होती है, जैसे डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में होती थी, वैसे ही जैसे एग्जीक्यूटिव कमिटी, फाइनेंस कमिटी, हेल्थ एंड हाइजीन कमिटी, कंस्ट्रक्शन कमिटी, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, राइट। और भी बहुत सारे कमिटीज होते हैं, right, are constituted as per their requirement, means are formed as per their requirement. Okay, and the head of municipality is considered as the chief officer, and he is appointed by, again, who appoints him? The state government. Okay, so all this was about the corporation. Now we will see what are the functions, है ना? What are the functions of the corporation? Functions are also very important. Function means what कि वो लोग क्या काम करते हैं, what work do they do, who the corporation. Okay, what work the corporation does, that we are going to see now. Is it clear? Yes. Now functions. Yes, read beta. Zoher, functions of corporation. Zoher, can you listen me?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, read beta. करो, रीड करो बेटा फजिल।
Maybe you can call me Sorry Ahmad Fazil.
Yes, Fazil, read functions.
Function following words are carried out by multiplication for the well-being of people. Water supply management. Number two, road management, de- deposit, disposal of
Disposal.
water, wastewater, center system,
Registration.
rejection of birth, death, and
Marriages.
Mary, Marangis, town playing, and
Town
electrician
planning.
management, fire extinguish,
Extinguisher.
expansion, actions again that action against the sale of inedible item, providing a facility or garden and library, construct and
Construction.
construction and
Maintenance.
maintenance of culture, col- culture building or adaptation.
Yes, Fazil, very good beta. Try practicing more reading, okay Fazil?
Yes, ma'am.
ज्यादा से ज्यादा
मामा जकी वकील.
यस ज्यादा से ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करोगे यू विल बी मोर बेनिफिशियल ओके यस जकी रीड द फंक्शंस अगेन बेटा
Okay. Functions. Following works are carried out by municipality for the well being of people. Number one, water supply management. Number two, road management, disposal of water, wastewater, sanitation system, registration of birth, death, and marriages, town planning and education management, fire extinguisher, actions against the sale of inedible items, providing facility of garden and libraries, construction and maintenance of cultural buildings or auditoriums.
Hmm. So, so what it is, beta? Can you listen me?
Yes.
Yes,
Hello?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what are the functions and works
Yes, yes,
which are carried out by municipality for well-being of the people? फर्स्ट इज वाटर सप्लाई मैनेजमेंट, है ना, कि वाटर सप्लाई हो रहा है कि नहीं, फिर मैनेजमेंट हो रहा है कि नहीं, वो भी ये लोग देखेंगे, है ना. देन वाटर सप्लाई मैनेजमेंट, देन रोड मैनेजमेंट, डिस्पोजेबल ऑफ वेस्ट वाटर, है ना, डिस्पोज करना है वेस्ट वाटर को, सैनिटेशन सिस्टम, देन टाउन प्लानिंग एंड एजुकेशन मैनेजमेंट, फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, बिकॉज अगर फायर हो जाएगा तो people will die a lot. So to look at the public places, fire extinguisher is working or not. Actions against the sale of inedible items. Inedible items means what? के जो खाने लायक ना हो, which is not a good, which is not edible to eat, मतलब कि we cannot eat those things, है ना. तो उसके लिए अगेंस्ट सेल बंद करना है ना. देन प्रोवाइडिंग फैसिलिटीज ऑफ गार्डन्स एंड लाइब्रेरीज, construction and maintaining auditoriums. All these are what beta, they have functions. Why providing facility of garden is important? Can anyone say me? Huh? Can anyone say me? Facility of garden and library is important है. Saki, can you say me?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Providing facility of garden and library is क्यों important है?
Ma'am, garden, ma'am,
हाँ.
providing facilities, garden नहीं हो, ma'am, when garden नहीं हो तो हमको ऑक्सीजन कहाँ से मिले? Then all children can play, फिर लाइब्रेरी से हमको एजुकेशन मिलता है, सब आए फिर बुक्स और रीड करे इसलिए.
That's very true, Zaki. Okay, children can play in the garden, they get oxygen from plants and trees. Apart from that, there are many reasons for a garden. You know, nowadays in the garden, municipality keeps gym, exercise machines also. They keep different types of exercise equipments. They keep so people can come for free and get good health over there. Then elder people can come and walk over there, sit over there, take rest. Apart from that, beta, there are many other reasons, and apart from that, it also increases the beauty of particular area, है ना. पर्टिकुलर एरिया की ब्यूटी भी इंक्रीज करता है ना. किसी भी अच्छा गार्डन हो तो वहाँ पे लोग ज्यादा से ज्यादा विजिटर्स आते हैं, राइट. एंड लाइब्रेरीज एज यू सेड कि वहाँ रीडिंग फैसिलिटीज होती है तो पीपल एंजॉय, people come there for reading, and people sit there for gaining more knowledge,